Hello, talking about my tourist destination. 1. Did you spend much money on your last trip? Yes, I spent a lot of money on my last trip because I visited many places there. I consider that it was after amount because I enjoyed all the places I went to. 2. Did you go sightseeing on your last trip? What was the most interesting place you visited? Yes, I went sightseeing on my last trip, and the most interesting place I visited was Johnny Key in San Andres Island. 3. What is the most unknown food you have tried on a trip? The most unknown food I have tried on a trip is called pisillo. It is fish pulled apart with tomato and onion. It is delicious. 4. What are the most visited places or tourist attractions in your city? The most tourist attraction where I live are called Mabicure Hills and the Lake of the Witches. 5. What was the most expensive place you visited in your city? The community is beautiful, but the food is very expensive, especially the roast fish. Thank you.